Alright, so just like we had said, you're to make a 45, 45, 90 triangle and then put a hole in it that is a 30, 60, 90 triangle. So here's how this works. I'm going to delete what I have. And the point of this is to learn how to dimension angles. So double click here. All right. We're going to sketch. Gotta say where to sketch, right on the front. I'm going to use my line tool. And I'm going to make any triangle. Doesn't have to be, I don't want to make this be exactly right away. Okay, so we've got our triangle. We want to dimension the angles and make them, two of the angles, 45 degrees. Click on the dimension tool. Click on the line. Before I enter a number, click on the other line. And that allows you to dimension angles. Click here. Change it to 45. That makes one angle 45 degrees. Click on this line. Click on the other line before you enter a number. By the way, be careful not to go on the opposite side like that. That's telling you the outside angle. We don't want that. We want the inside angle. I'm going to say 45. Alright, there's a 45, 45, 90 triangle. Extrude it. Give it some depth. Let's leave it at 1 inch this time. Now make a triangle inside it. Sketch. Right on the triangle. Use the line tool. Make a little triangle in here. Now we want this to be 30, 60, 90. So we've got to go up, get our dimension tool. Click on one line. Before I enter an arm, click on another line. You don't have a lot of space, but click there. Change 32 to 30. And that is this angle. So let's change. I'm going to click on this line. Click on that line. And again, it's pretty squeezed. But there's a 72 to make that 60. You can zoom in or out to give yourself more space. Extrude. Remove. Click. And there's our hole. We've got the 45, 45 on the outside. We've got 30, 60, 90 on the inside. And let's do one more thing. Sketch. Sketch on our triangle. Put our name. And there are the letters. Don't forget, we want this to stick out or engrave in. Extrude. Say remove. And check mark. And there, the name's in it. Okay, that's the whole thing. And that's how to make 45, 45, 90 and a 30, 60, 90 on the inside. Don't forget to put your name on it. Put a picture of it in your note.